Hello.
He's quivering.
You look like a muppet.
He does, doesn't he?
Yeah. Hey. Hey. Hello.
His tail is so impressive as well. I have one job. One job to press the button that says record on the camera.
Yep.
And yesterday I failed to do that. So Mum and Dad did all of their calendars, and so did this one. And none of it was recorded. So we're going to have to do a dramatic reenactment.
Are we?
Yes.
Okay. Shortened version.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Because we already know the answer.
Yeah. Oh.
He's quite pleased to be at this height because he can stick his nose right in your mouth or up yours. No, stick his tongue right up your nose or in your mouth.
Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Oh, don't do that.
Yes, I wasn't stolen. He always gets very distressed when I take him away from Mum. I was just saying, because I failed at my one job, we're going to have to do a dramatic reenactment.
Oh yeah, what day are we?
17. We need to do 17 again.
I'm here. Ready, willing, able.
I have.
Yep.
We're all red. Or pink.
Pink. Yes. I am actually legitimately in my pajamas. These guys start their day way earlier than I do. So yeah. Anyway, are you ready?
Yep.
For the second time?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Merry Vlogmas! And happy birthday to Big Bird, because it was her birthday.
Happy birthday, Neil.
This is the second time we've said this. Yeah, dramatic reenactment for Kai. Kai, day 17.
He says I don't like them.
No, he did.
We did.
Oh no!
No, they've all gone.
And I will
That's
take
mean.
video evidence of you enjoying them from the thing. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay. Done.
Yep.
We've got to do the whole thing.
Yeah.
You're not getting paid twice for this. You get the game. You know that, don't you?
Sure.
Yeah.
I'm opening it. Oh look, it's vanilla white that's actually up in the main house, and I haven't tried yet, and I will do a taste test in a second for you guys. Yes, and you don't like it because it's too sweet, and I like chocolate because it is sweet. Yay. And so then day 17 for Dad's calendar. Oh, you've remembered your glasses.
I know.
There was an incredibly funny joke about the fact that we were doing 2 days in one, and we were filming it back to back, and Dad had forgotten his glasses, and so we got to say, have you forgotten your glasses again? And he said yes, and yeah. Sad times.
Is this yesterday?
Yeah.
Oh, right. Okay. You did it.
Woohoo!
You watched the planet Whamaram disappear from sight in the rear view mirror. Klaus pulls broccoli out of his ears,
Ew.
visibly relieved.
I thought he'd eat
Then he
it.
runs his fingers thoughtfully through his ever-growing beard.
Do you know what time it is?
Do you know what time it is?
It's far
You
too
should do.
early.
You look around for a clock and discover a variety of digital time displays.
Very
Apparently, they represent the local times of different time zones in the galaxy. Or rather, they did once. Several of the displays are currently out of order. It is really important to know what time it is. It is...
Sorry.
Really important.
Klaus replies emphatically.
Plus, I'm already flying on fumes and the fuel station closes at 10.
Oh, it's gone 10.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're out of luck, Klaus.
You have to find out what time it is.
Sighing, you try to determine what time should be shown on the various displays if they weren't broken. You have no idea how this is supposed to give you an indication of the current time where you are. But if you have learned one thing on your trip with Klaus, it's that sometimes you just have to try and rest will fall... Blear. You have to keep trying and the rest will just fall into place.
At least you didn't have to read it out twice. I read
Right.
it yesterday.
Yes.
So, yes, anyway, here we go. Very quick reenactment of Dad opening the door and seeing this. You made a large sound when you saw that for the first time.
Oh, Lord.
Yes, exactly. If you could just...
17.
Yep. And there is all the digital clocks. And look, oh gosh, we solved it. Didn't we do well?
Yeah.
We didn't need to look at the hint book once.
Oh, what? I didn't like
Today
that
we
one.
didn't. No, that one hurt my brain.
That was a sit down with a cup of tea one.
Yes, not a...
No.
At one point Dad did say, this is going to be really boring for them to watch. It's good because I didn't record it, so it's fine. So yay. Day 18 is up
18.
there. We can do that
I'll go for
tomorrow.
Hey, I don't have to tell you. Get the camera if I'm
Tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow.
Yes.
Yeah.
So Mum's abandoned us again. The dog's been trying to untie my dressing gown and attack Dad. So we fended them off successfully. But here is the rest of the things that happened.
You can't sit still long in here, can you?
No, you can't.
You get attacked with a pair of scissors.
Or a creature.
Yeah.
Yes. Anyway,
right.
I will be back momentarily with my vanilla white for a taste test, and we shall see how that goes. And these guys will be back tomorrow for the day 18 calendars. Yay. Okay, I have got dressed. I still have this on because it is cold down here. Well, mind you, 18.5 degrees. It's not the coldest, but I am a lizard and I prefer to be overheated. So I have vanilla white. I mean, it's white chocolate. It's not, again, not my favourite, but it is very nice. And I know Mum wouldn't drink this, but I am going to drink this and I'm going to enjoy it. It's going to be lovely. So I have got a few bits and pieces to do down here, some pickups for the piping tutorial video. I do need to film, I think, another intro and outro. I think I forgot one bit of putting the dress together, which is annoying, but I do have a lot of pickups to film for it, so I'm going to get those done because they shouldn't take me too long, and then I can drop them all in. And the idea is to get those filmed today, the rest of the video edited, and that way tomorrow when I put on makeup, because I know I said I was going to do it yesterday, but yeah, Mum, so we all work on very different schedules, and I am my best in the afternoons, but Mum wanted to film calendars this morning and then do just the way my brain works. So I'm going to get up, get ready and do makeup and proper filming tomorrow, which means that I've got the editing bits and pickup bits to do today so that I can spend the rest of this afternoon up in the office editing. Dad's up there at the moment doing filing and paperwork and stuff, so it's all working out, it's all fitting together, all the pieces are fitting together, so that's good. I'm going to drink my chocolate first though and try and warm up a little bit so I can take this off, because whilst this is very nice and cozy and warm, it is not the most convenient thing to be sitting in the chair in, especially because it's really long, it's floor length, and so I do get it stuck under the wheels of the chair quite frequently, which is annoying. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to shut up and I will be back later, fingers crossed, having done all of those things successfully. We shall see how that goes. We are in Dad's man shed. You really need to, I get back a bit so you can see the magnificence. So these are some very fancy sliding doors that were on Mum's friend's house, but they leaked. So they weren't great for a bedroom, but they're great for a man shed. And that's one shed. That's the second shed back there, and this is the third edifice.
Hello.
Hello. It's looking rather splendid in here.
Well, coming along.
We've also got said friends whose slidey doors you've got her old kitchen to go in here as well, haven't you?
Yeah.
Parts of it anyway.
Yeah.
So what are you planning on using this for?
Well, it's be a greenhouse come studio.
Yes.
I'll get some of my painting stuff out here, and you know, when the weather's better.
Yes, because technically the eaves are open to the outside for airflow.
Yes.
So it's not weather, well, it's weather secure, but it's not air secure.
It's waterproof.
Waterproof, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, it's not going to rain in here. But yeah,
No.
very impressive man
If it
shed.
starts raining in here, I'm going home.
And we've got, this is the shed. Oh, look, I've got more coat hangers. I didn't know I had more coat hangers. That's exciting.
You didn't know what?
I had more coat hangers, but I do. But yes,
Yeah.
much work in progress. The shelves look good. They're new. Or at least that's since the last time I was in here. I'm struggling to work in these conditions. It's not the worst thing in the world. We've got a Maximus who's actually being very well behaved back there, but Iskierka can't settle. Having said that, she seems to have gotten quite comfy there. I've even brought in their bed that they had, that they inherited from Chi. They don't seem to use that one very much anymore. I catch Max in it every now and again. But yeah, she's lively this afternoon, which is unusual and proving quite a lot of fun because she keeps walking on the keyboard, which is a bunch of shortcuts for Final Cut Pro, and doing things that I don't know what she's done. So yeah, wish me luck. This is fine. I am sick of the sound of my own voice. I have got all of that edited this morning. So far it's an hour and 20 minutes. I've got the last little leg to do, so I'm at the finish line, and I've started creating the individual videos as well as the big video that's going to go out. But Mum's brushing the dog in the background. But yeah, I am utterly sick of the sound of my own voice. Fun times. Kai's having his dinner. This is something called a snuffle knot. It's a really long mat with lots of little like tucks and folds and pockets in it that you put his kibble and a few treats in there. I think it's 50-50 in the evenings, isn't it? Treats and kibble. And theoretically, he has to make an effort to get his dinner, and he absolutely loves it. I will link to the brand that we got down below. It's called, like I say, the snuffle knot. And he'll do this for a little while, and then he'll get fed up with it, and he'll pick it up and bring it somewhere else, because obviously a change in location will, help with the actual unwrapping of his dinner. He is a very strange little puppy. He will only eat food out of a bowl in the kitchen if Mum's holding it for him. He doesn't mind food on the floor over here too much, but he doesn't like eating his food out of his bowl in the kitchen. He'll pick up a piece of kibble, bring it in here and eat it on the carpet, and then go back for another piece of kibble. So this keeps him entertained for hours. Mum and Dad do this when they play bridge online on a Wednesday night. So they keep it, change of location. They keep it in reserve until they start playing bridge, because it does keep him quiet whilst he's working on it. He's also been just demolishing the egg carton, because Mum makes him a fresh omelette every morning. Because of course she does.
Scrambled egg.
Oh, sorry, I beg your pardon. Scrambled egg. Oh, he got a bit.
He's got some.
This is riveting TV for them.
Oh, is it too deep?
That tail is impressive.
Yeah.
That is an impressive tail.
He's had a brush too.
He has finally untied the knot, and he's working his way down. He's not completely unrolled it yet. There's pouches in the very end, but there's lots of goodies in the little folds that you can see there.
Just had a little scratch on the way.
Yeah. It's a very energetic dinner. Dad made us a delicious dinner of pork chops and mashed potatoes, which was amazing. So that has basically been my day. Still sick of the sound of my own voice, having just edited this, but I still have about 40 minutes to go of the piping tutorial. I will get there. It's been a project a year in the making, because I started making the piping in, oh gosh, when was it? Piping and the skirt. Let's have a look. First clip, the 4th of February 2024, and then I cut out the dress in the 23rd of October 2024, and I made the piping on the 17th of November 2024, and I started working on the skirt on the 2nd of December 2024. Oh dear, it's been a while, so I would very much like to get that finished and uploaded tomorrow. That's the plan. Wish me luck, and I shall see you all then. Bye.